How to create presets for Instagram aesthetic. First of all, open the Lightroom Presets app and select the preset that suits the style or mood you want for your Instagram photos. Next, open the selected preset in Lightroom. Apply it to a sample photo and adjust settings like exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, saturation, temperature, and clarity to match the aesthetic you want. Fine-tuning these adjustments ensures that your preset enhances your Instagram photos consistently. Once you are satisfied with the look, save the edited setting as a custom preset. You can now apply this preset to all future photos to maintain a cohesive Instagram aesthetic effortlessly. Now you know how to create presets for Instagram aesthetic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.